Oh my gosh. Kirsty,
Hi.
your final semester of school?
Yes.
First and foremost, Kirsty, where are you from?
I'm from the Philippines.
We're in the Philippines, Manila.
Cebu.
Cebu, kamusta po? Mabuti po?
Oh, okay lang ako.
She's just laughing. Salamat. Salamat for agreeing to come on camera. First and foremost, you're glowing on the screen, by the way. Now, come on, look at this.
Am I glowing?
You're glowing.
Oh, look. Thank
You're
you for my
glowing.
skincare.
Yeah. What do you use? Tell me. Look
Sephora
at.
stuff.
I need it. Anyways, so you came as a student
Yeah.
from Cebu.
Yeah.
How's it been?
It's been great. It's been a long journey because I did my application DIY while I was working. Then I got it. I went here in August 2022, and then I'm in my last semester now.
And give a shout out. What school do you go to?
Northwestern Polytechnic.
I'm sorry, she actually meant Grand Prairie Regional College.
Yes, the former name. The former name.
And what's your experience like?
In the college, it's been great. I had a lot of opportunities too. And in my second year, I'm currently taking finance. I've been learning a lot, and I have experience in marketing too.
Okay, so what do you think about Grand Prairie?
Grand Prairie is a great start to live here in Canada because everything's just near here. You can get to everything within like 10 to 15 minutes.
And what's your story, Kirsty? Everyone has a story. What brought you to Canada?
What brought me to Canada is that I believe that I can still make a bigger future here by studying again and then working in a better job here.
Okay.
And then making my life better.
So you came to Canada for a better opportunity.
Yeah.
No, you're about to finish school.
Yeah.
When you're done with school, are you planning on leaving Grand Prairie?
I don't think so because Grand Prairie is a great place to like save money if you're aiming for that. And you can really focus here since you're not really in like a place where there's like a lot of place to go, like malls or stuff like that.
You're gonna spend a lot of money. That's true. And we wanna give a shout out to where we're at right now. If you guys don't know, you should know. And if you don't know, Natsy's gonna tell you. Where are we right now?
We are at M3M Studios here in Grand Prairie.
Rocking your D. Anderson shirt. Come on, make us see it.
It's right here.
All right.
Right here.
And M3M Studio is where we film our podcast weekly.
Yes.
And it is a fantastic place. If you are a content creator and you want a space that you can use to do your stuff, come on over to M3M. And you know what? Small Business Distinction of the Year.
Yeah.
We're not play. It's legit. Guys, it's legit. Mariah, if you're watching this video right now, Mariah, smash a like. And make sure you subscribe and drop a comment. Say, hey, I'm Mariah. And I am the CEO of M3M Studio and M3M Marketing. Guys, check them out on Instagram. Check them out on Facebook. Check them out on TikTok. Check them out everywhere. Just type in M3M Studio, M3M Marketing on Google. And anywhere it brings you, follow them. And say, hey, the Anderson sent you over there. You understand?
Yeah.
Big up somebody from the Philippines.
Hi.
You understand what I'm saying a while ago?
What? Sorry?
You understand what I say?
Yeah.
What I say?
Say hi to the Philippines.
Yo, she not play. Yo, she's had jerk chicken before. Have you?
Sorry.
Have you had jerk chicken before?
No, I'm not really sure. Maybe I've tried it, but maybe I don't know it was it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I was saying, somebody from Cebu is probably seeing this right now. And who knows, probably they know you. So I was saying, shout out somebody who you want to shout out. Hi, Mom. Hi, Dad. I'm being a good girl over here in Grand Prairie. Yeah.
Everybody.
Hi, everybody. Oh, she's so shy.
Yeah.
She's so shy. Eva, I know you're watching this. She sounds just like you, Eva. You haven't met Eva yet, no?
Eva? I'm not
Eva
sure.
Kaukam.
She's been on our channel before.
Oh, really?
Yes.
I haven't.
Yeah,
Eva, the wife of Joshly?
Yes.
Yes, I know her. I know her.
Of course you know.
Yeah.
You sound just like Eva.
Oh, really?
She's like the wife of Joshly?
Yeah.
Joshly's bad company. Do not be friends with Joshly. He will encourage you to do bad things. I am sure because he tried it with me. I'm joking. He's one of my best friends here.
Yeah.
He's one of my best friends here. I'm just messing with him. Joshly's a good guy. Yeah. So, congrats, Kirsty, on almost completing school. Yeah. I know it's a big deal. I know it's a big change. Coming to a new country, coming to a new city. Most of your families are still in the Philippines. You have relatives here, you said, but congrats. And yeah, any way we can help on your journey, just let us know. And we are here to make sure that your journey is smooth, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Big up yourself. Not swear.
Hi.
What are you doing over here?
I'm taking a picture.
Taking a picture of this beautiful backdrop?
Yeah.
Okay,
the
take a
lighting
picture.
Here is perfect.
Lighting is perfect.
Yes, it is.
It is perfect. Just like you.
Not perfect. Aww.
Um,
Aww.
smooth. Smooth operator. Well, that's a nice backdrop though.
Isn't it?
I really like it. So is there anybody you would like to shout out?
Shout out to everyone that has been supporting us on this journey and on our YouTube channel. And shout out to everyone that have gotten their approval for study permit, PR, everything.
Everything.
Congratulations to everyone. Thank you again for supporting and look forward.
Guys, we are so pumped right now because we just did an interview. Big up Jesse. We just did an interview with a newspaper. So we're going to be officially
in a newspaper.
in a newspaper. We've been on TV before, so
Yeah.
yeah, but we've never been in a newspaper, so it's a big deal.
Big deal. Big deal, of course.
Big deal. That's what we had. You don't know what you're doing?
No.
Okay.
I'm just pumped.
Yeah. But big up to everybody who has been supporting us, guys. If you haven't subscribed already, what are you waiting on? Please subscribe. Please, 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 please. Drop a like and drop a comment. All right? You want to big up anybody else?
No.
Want to big up your mother, your father, your sister, your brother? It's good? Okay. All right. Now, I appreciate it. Big up my pitney them. Big up my pitney them on the room while we're out here flexing. Right? But anyways, guys, we're just shouting out M3M Studios. Be sure to check it out. Alright, guys?
Silly me, thinking you and her could work things out. I'm a third wheel on this broken car. You're a mess, just wanna get out. Silly you, why is it so hard to be real? Speak the truth, say you're sorry.